Konkani.
So by when it will?
What is that?
Comunidad.
What happened?
The report kita submit kelala asa.
They have submitted a report. We'll go through the report.
Okay.
Once the report and what can be implemented, that we will see.
So how long it can take?
No. So I just cannot tell you right now. First, we will just go through the report. Once we go through the report, then we will see what basically, factually, what we can implement and what we cannot. So we'll decide. We cannot. Unauthorized construction in private properties ते आम्ही करता पण वर्सांची वर्सां गव्हर्मेंटाच्या जाग्यार घरां आहा तेजी आमी गव्हर्मेंटान अजून कांय विचार करूंक ना सो इट इज हाय टायम दॅट गव्हर्मेंट शूड लूक इन टू दॅट फर्स्ट
कितली घरां आसा
कितलीं आहा हे पळय बाटल्यान आहा मागीर आल्तीन आहा एंड सो मेनी अदर प्लेसीस ऑल्सो एक्शन न्हू ती रेग्युलरायज करूंक जाय हांव एक्शन घेवपाचें उलयना आमी दर दुसऱ्यांचे रेग्युलरायज करूंक सोदता गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हितून कित्याक करपाचें आमी पयलो विचार तो करूंक जाय सगळे म्हायसार रेग्युलरायज करूंक जाय कित्याक आमी उलयतात दुसऱ्यांचे हेजेर प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीचेर कम्युनिटीचेर रेग्युलरायज करपाक गव्हर्मेंटाचेर कित्याक अजून विचार करूंक ना ते आमी पयलो विचार करता
गव्हर्मेंट हो लॉस न्हू तेंचो लँड
ना लॉस देर शूड बी सम मेकॅनिझम न्हू You cannot just throw them out. These people have been staying there for 20 years, 25 years, and maybe even more than that. Yeah. So it is high time that you cannot basically deprive them of their home.
त्यानंतर पुढचे लोक मागीर गव्हर्मेंट जागेन आपल्या इन्फॉर्मेशन
ना ऍटलीस्ट कट आउट डेट आहा न्हू आता हे कोण गव्हर्मेंटाच्या जाग्यान आहा ऍटलीस्ट कोण न्ही काय ना हे सगळें आदलेच आहा so you can basically identify which is old and which is new. But it is high. No, we will put it up to the thing. It is high time that government should look into that and their houses should be regularized. So definitely, yeah, I think there should be a time frame within 6 months' time. We should do all these things.
So, but migrants also are there. No? Migrants also will be there. No, sir?
See, who is a migrant? How do you identify a migrant now? Now everyone has got a voting card, this thing, everything. You require a 15 years domicile to basically be a Goan. Suppose if at all we are talking about that. So it is those people, I am saying those people who have been living there for donkey's years, for 20 years, 25 years, 40 years. But when the government basically is thinking of regularizing houses in communal land and in private properties, unauthorized construction, whatever you call it. It is high time that government should first look into the thing on government land itself and settle that issue.
amendments should be made for such things.
Telling and doing is two different things. So it is high time we do it.
So you will take a lead in this.
We need to because everyone is involved.